Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0327 indicates a low voltage condition in the knock sensor circuit. The knock sensor is a critical component in the vehicle's engine management system, responsible for detecting engine knock or detonation. Located on the engine block, it communicates with the powertrain control module PCM to optimize engine performance and prevent damage. A low voltage reading can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Prior to troubleshooting, it is vital to verify the problem and determine if it is a confirmed or pending DTC through the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This code is particularly relevant for Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022, as they contain advanced engine management systems requiring careful diagnosis. The DTC P0327 describes an issue with the knock sensor circuit, usually indicating that there is low voltage being detected. The knock sensor plays a vital role in detecting vibrations caused by engine knock. By doing so, it allows the PCM to adjust ignition timing for optimal performance. The knock sensor is typically mounted on the engine block, often near the cylinder head area for maximum sensitivity to vibrations. When voltage is low, it prevents the sensor from accurately relaying information to the PCM, which can hinder the engine's performance and longevity. Sudden engine power loss and inefficient combustion processes may arise if this issue goes unaddressed. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0327. First, a faulty knock sensor is likely responsible. It may have internal damage that prevents it from functioning correctly. Second, wiring issues can occur, where the electrical wires connecting the knock sensor to the PCM may be damaged, leading to low voltage readings. Poor connections at terminals can also result in intermittent connectivity, mimicking fault conditions. Additionally, environmental factors like corrosion at connectors may exacerbate these issues. Understanding these potential failures is key to conducting effective diagnostics and repair strategies. Various symptoms may present themselves due to the occurrence of DTC P0327. Drivers might experience engine performance issues, such as a noticeable loss of power during acceleration or irregular engine operation. Furthermore, fuel efficiency could decline, since the engine may not be operating at its optimal state without accurate knock detection. The check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, prompting a need for a diagnostic scan. If left unaddressed, these symptoms could escalate into more serious engine problems. Drivers should be vigilant and proactive when they observe these signs, ensuring the health of their vehicle's engine system. For the first troubleshooting step regarding DTC P0327, begin by turning the vehicle to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the onboard systems to initialize. Next, use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the DTC. Clearing the DTC resets the onboard computer, enabling it to refresh its readings. After clearing the code, turn the vehicle to the off-lock position for a moment. Following this, turn the vehicle back to the on mode again to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. It's crucial to determine if DTC P0327 will reappear, as this will confirm the existence of the problem. In the second troubleshooting step, start by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode. Then, disconnect the knock sensor's 2P connector, ensuring it is free of debris and damage. Next, switch the vehicle back to the on mode, allowing the onboard diagnostics to reevaluate the system. Utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to check for pending or confirmed DTCs once again. If DTC P0328 appears, it indicates that the knock sensor needs to be replaced. If it does not appear, proceed to the next troubleshooting step without making any repairs yet. During the third troubleshooting step, ensure that the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. Then, jump the SCS service check signal line using the HDS, waiting for over 1 minute. This applies a short circuit condition that enables accurate testing of the knock sensor circuit connectivity. After this, disconnect the PCM connector C51P from the powertrain control module. Check for continuity between test points 1 and 2. Test point 1 refers to the female terminal number 1 of the knock sensor connector, while test point 2 refers to female terminal number 2 of the same. Should there be continuity, it indicates a short in the knock sensor wire to the ground wire, requiring a repair to be conducted. In the fourth troubleshooting step, follow a similar procedure by checking for continuity again, but this time focused on the KS line. Ensure the vehicle is off-lock, that the PCM connector C51P and knock sensor 2P connector remain disconnected. Continuity should be checked between test point 1, female terminal number 1 of the knock sensor connector, and test point 2, body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the knock sensor wire between the PCM C29 and the knock sensor itself. This could require replacement of the wire or alternative repair methods. If there is no continuity, it suggests the KS wire itself is fine, and next steps may include consulting authorized service information about the DTCs or symptoms, or testing with a known good PCM. After performing the necessary repairs based on the previous steps, it's vital to verify the success of these repairs. Start by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to reset the vehicle's computer systems. Following this, conduct a thorough test drive to evaluate the engine performance under various operating conditions, including acceleration and idle. Monitor for any recurring symptoms, as well as rechecking for DTCs with the HDS post-drive. This thorough verification ensures that all repairs address the issue and the vehicle is now running optimally without fault codes. Documenting the results will aid future troubleshooting if similar issues arise again. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0327, regular inspection of connectors and wiring associated with the knock sensor should be established in routine maintenance. This includes checking for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections that can lead to voltage issues. Additionally, monitoring overall engine performance ensures that any anomalies can be caught early, allowing for timely intervention. Keeping engine components clean and free of debris, aided by routine maintenance, can also mitigate issues arising from environmental debris interfering with sensor functions. Establishing these preventive measures greatly enhances the durability of the knock sensor system and the vehicle's engine management overall. In summary, DTC P0327 signifies a critical low voltage condition in the knock sensor circuit affecting engine performance. The knock sensor is fundamental for regulating ignition timing and ensuring optimal engine function. Through a structured troubleshooting approach, pinpointing the problem allows for effective repairs and improving vehicle reliability. Regular maintenance practices and checks can significantly reduce occurrences of such DTCs in the future. Being attentive to engine performance and equipped with knowledge about the knock sensor ensures a proactive approach to vehicle care and longevity. Understanding this DTC not only aids in repairs, but highlights the importance of each component in the vehicle's expansive engine management system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!